So this is a review of the EDJO MK20187R mechanical keyboard. Got this the other day. I've already unboxed it because I wanted to show you plugged in. It's got the blue switches and it's the black version. So inside the box, nothing really all that special. It comes very well packaged. Got a thank you card here, protective case, and a very kind of easygoing user guide. Explains to you how to change some of the colors, backlight modes, wind lock, that kind of thing. But nothing really super special there. It's a USB, plugs into the back of the computer, and yeah, here it is. So as you can see, got a multi-color scheme here. Little loud, but feels really good on the hands. Cable here, micro SD cable. Obviously you unplug it and the lights turn off, but you can also turn the lights off too by using some of the keystrokes. But yeah, I mean, overall, really good keyboard, feels really good, pretty compact. Does have a couple of risers on the back if you want a little bit more elevation, but overall, very, very nice keyboard, great price point, looks great, especially in the dark. Yeah, very happy.